Hi viewers, welcome to LMS Solution. Today we are going to explain the MATLAB Simulink implementation of a single phase shunt active power filter. This model is developed to analyze harmonic reduction in a single phase power system. The system consists of a single phase voltage source, source inductor, nonlinear load and shunt active power filter. The nonlinear load is formed using a diode rectifier with an RL load. Due to this nonlinear load, the load current becomes non-sinusoidal and produces harmonics in the source current. It also increases reactive power demand from the supply. To overcome this problem, a single-phase shunt active power filter is connected in parallel with the system. The active filter consists of an H-bridge inverter, DC link capacitor, and coupling inductor. The DC link capacitor voltage is regulated at 700 phi using a PI controller. The controller generates the loss power required to maintain the capacitor voltage. Here, the PQ control theory is used to generate the reference compensating current. Since PQ theory is normally applied to three-phase systems, delay-based signals are used to create equivalent three-phase voltage and current quantities from the single-phase source voltage and load current. Using these values, real power and reactive power are calculated. The average real power is obtained through a low-pass filter and the reference current is generated based on the required compensation. This reference current is compared with the actual filter current and the error is processed through the current controller to generate gate pulses for the H-bridge inverter. The inverter injects compensating current into the system through the coupling inductor. From the simulation results, the load current remains non-sinusoidal while the source current becomes nearly sinusoidal after compensation. The THD of the load current is around 46%, whereas the source current THD is reduced to below 3%, showing the effective performance of the